Ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hagasin palay jong katayaw kalapan bana bakalamang hadu arpon rio point Lypa prak lurtingka ban Thied eki Marbam naka Food Corporation of India banla pendap Marbam yeki pait nong shnong ka Jylla hakine ki arpawai sngi batray kam ka hukum khangdam yeki shnong ki thau jong ka Sorkar pring.
Ya kanila penbenado Menteri Ketenaga Food bat Civil Supplies ke Jylla James PK Sangma habai keran baiklat pathai kubor bar ongru banakan ke pisa ba arpun rio point Lypa klur tengka ke Sorkar kelamang ban Thied hado khatwila khatnyo hajar arspa nyu prak kwintal ukhau na kebenta arbanai lang ba ke open market sales scheme domestic jong ke FCI open tip banunu ukhau ban Thied ya shila khatnyo hajar kwintal unspen poi shabor ki deputy commissioner jong district boper bat nan selit kit unu ukhau na kudam jong ke FCI bandi hakiyo pat ba Menteri Ketenaga Food bat Civil Supplies uliatho bak Sorkar klai dep ekran bat kan nefet kabahap apok gejikmi jong Ketenaga Consumer Affairs ban mang san hajar sanspa sanpulai point henreu sau kwintal udai na kebenta ban sam shkilong yeng ki bedai hok ban yo jing mentoy uliatho bak Sorkar kalapun kubor haki deputy commissioner ban plelenti ban Thied igi Marbam kamtam yu khau umpnyang bat kiwe ki Marbam na kiwe pat ki Jylla Nalor kani ki deputy commissioner ken airu ka curfew pass bat ki permit na gabanta ki kali ket Marbam kanang bagi brio ke badi Marbam hakiyo pat ba kila bandit Thied yu khau bat ki wegi Marbam na Guwahati ke Jylla Assam bat ki wegi Jaka James PK Sangma ula pentep bak jingsam yu khau NFSA kalong kabayat bet ya renti haduk menta bat ke Sorkar kala dep bru ban kit yu khau na kebenta ubna yayong bat ikani anspen poi shabro ki dukan sam Russian ki bala itu da ke Sorkar
and this sales scheme, we would have to lift from the FCI go-downs, and FCI is allowing us to lift this amount of quintals against payment, and this will be basically utilized for 2 months and will be made available to the deputy commissioner, the deputy commissioners of each respective district, and will then be further on made available to the open market. I would like to also inform the citizens of our state that the price monitoring cell in each and every district is also working to ensure that unscrupulous people, traders who may try to take advantage of the situation here by trying to hoard or by trying to charge excessively, these are checked, and our supply inspectors, our officers at the district level are making surprise raids, and they are checking whether such kind of unfair practices are taking place. And I would like to reiterate here that we will be taking very stern action against any perpetrator who is involved in such actions under Section 7 of the Essential Commodities Act 1955 and Section 3 of the Prevention of Black Marketing and Maintenance of Supplies and Essential Commodities Act 1980. Our MPs, our MLAs, our MDCs, the Dorbar Shnong, the Dorbar Hima, the Nokmas, to play an active role in promoting social distancing and at the same time be charitable and considerate towards your fellow brothers and sisters who at this time may be in need. So this is a time for us all to be united and to be sympathetic towards each other's needs.